Hello, my name's Paul. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set page and grid properties for my report. To set page and grid properties, I'll first activate the grid and then click on the grid object. I'll right-click on the upper left cell to activate a menu of options, and then I'll choose the Grid Point of View Setup option. I'll scroll down to the Balance Amount dimension and select to lock the member selection I made in the previous tutorial. I'm performing this step to prevent users from changing the balance amount type at runtime. Since this report is an income statement, I want to always use period activity. Now I'll set a runtime prompt for my page dimension to company. Setting a runtime prompt gives me the flexibility to select any company or combination of companies for my report at runtime. To restrict the valid list of companies that can be specified at runtime, I'll select one parent value and two specific companies. To make the prompt more user-friendly, I'll select Alias so the actual company label is displayed in the prompt list of values rather than a numeric company value. Next, I'll set the Hetero Properties. I'll start by assigning the alias as the default so that the report will show the name of each account rather than the account value. I'm also going to assign alias default for the row properties on all my expense rows, and then select the Allow Expansion option, which enables the expand functionality on my report. Also, I'm going to check the Drill Through option to permit drill through from my report to the detail balances represented in my report. Selecting the Suppression option in the Grid Properties panel lets me suppress the display of the $0 rows in my report. I can also change the display options of my zero values that appear on my report. I must consider carefully turning on suppression at the grid, page, row, or column level based on my requirements. Finally, I'll save my work. To see my added page and grid properties on my basic report, I'll select the Web Preview button. In the next tutorial, I'll show you how to add formats and graphs to my report. For more information, consider these additional resources. Thank you.